Boom. Welcome, new episode. We're supposed to be in a garage painting Miata, but there's something that popped up and a little change of plan. Our friends at Warsaw, which is like 4 hours away from here, they are organizing the last car meet of the year. It's called Kanjo Nights. It's for all Japanese cars, and I decided that I'm gonna take this one. Since we swapped the engine, that's gonna be first longer ride, so it's gonna be a bit of test for this car. I'm taking Marek. There is a group of cars coming from my city, so for now, let's go wash it and let's go towards Warsaw.
What do you say?
One.
People on the internet.
Nice jacket, man.
Oh, very nice.
Where's your VTEC? No, that's no VTEC, man. No, it's not. No, you cannot even see on the camera.
So 350 kilometers, and we did
5? I had a dream about working Nissan once, but that dream ain't true. The boys went to Warsaw, we stayed, we need to cool down the car, go back to garage. At least you're gonna get some nice pictures.
Yeah.
We felt like a smell of something would burn, so we stopped on the side of the road, and the turbo and the manifold were all red, like it was super hot. We're smoking, the heat shield was smoking, and even though the engine's temperature was fine, I think it's because of bad timing setup. On the picture you can see how red it was. So now waiting, we're gonna cool it down and go back to the garage. Back to sanding.
Man's looking like I'm ready to sand. Good evening, people on the internet. You will never guess what I'm about to do. Let's go.
You're not sad again, are you, Splash Gang?
And whilst I'm doing this car, we go out here. There's Nissan. Adash, why is Nissan upside down?
Marek, I don't know what to say.
Adash has been doing sandblasting all day, and it's taking a very long time. It's a very tedious job and a bit painful because the sand is a bit painful to work with. But it's looking very nice right now. Today Adash is just doing the most important bits of the car. Okay, I think Adash is having it a bit worse than me because he's outside, at least I'm inside. Let's go back to Miata.
Good morning, we have a next day, and I have a good news for you all. I bought a new house. It's here. Look at this nice house. Sheesh. The garage was getting way too messy, so I just bought a little house here. Just for like random stuff that we don't use every day, and the garage should be much more empty and full of space. What are we doing today, mister?
Well, look at me. Look at how I look like.
Yeah.
What else can I do? Not much left actually.
Just finish touch.
Literally just finishing touches like these, little corners, the whole car. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the plan is to take the car out, wash it, get it ready, put it in a painting booth and paint today.
So while Sam is finishing up with the Miata, covering it in all the foil and paper, I have something interesting to show you. You see this thing? And this thing? They're gonna be best friends today.
No.
Was, are you excited to finally do it?
Yes, but also engine inside the car, like, why would you do that? Okay, let's do it.
I initially wanted just to paint it black, like it was in the old days, but I chose very nice black. Like if you see from like with the flashlight, the color is super sexy.
I haven't actually seen it yet because I was in this garage.
Man, it's so sexy. Okay, the car is painted, and man, you probably saw us painting the cars a couple times already because we were very bad at it at the beginning. But then car after car, when I tried a second time, third time, fourth time, there's no way that you won't learn something if you keep trying. And this is the proof. I'm super happy with the results. It looks really good, and I'm really proud of myself with this one. I don't know how much the camera shows, but it looks really nice.
You're not sad again. Are you Splash Gang?
What do you think about the color?
I love it. It actually turned out way better than I thought because Sam was supposed to get just black color, and then in a paint shop he saw some color with some like grain inside or something. He's like, okay, let's try it, and it turned out super good.
great to be back in this car on the road. It's looking fresh. It doesn't have the same good fitment as it used to have, but for the road I think the car is looking, you know, good enough. It's looking very, very cool. And I'm very happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The Frankie glaze. Sheesh.